What's up, guys? Welcome back. I have another great part to show you that I'm going to be listing on eBay. This is a 2019 Ford Super Duty Platinum grill. This is the top of the line grill. It is very expensive. If you've seen my other videos, I have a headlight from the same truck that has one broken tab, and that is currently on eBay for $600. I'm thinking I'm going to be able to list this for right around the same price. So if I can make over $1,000 off a couple parts from one truck, that's going to be pretty awesome for me. From Ford, it's around $1,500 for the grill assembly. I'm pretty sure you can buy a couple of the pieces separate, but to get the whole assembly, it's around $1,500. This is going to be a really good deal for somebody. There's a little bit of damage on this, but it's very minimal. So I'm thinking that somebody is probably going to scoop this one up. There are not too many platinum grills on eBay right now, so if anybody's looking to update their truck and get a better looking grill on their Super Duty, then they will probably be looking at this. So I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to sell it for a pretty good price. Grills are one of those things that when it's on the front of the car, it's very easy to break. Bumping into your garage, bumping into another car in the driveway, it can break your grill. So there are a lot of grills out there that are worth a ton of money that people are looking to replace because, obviously they're damaging it. This grill, I'm betting, is going to go to someone who is trying to update their Ford. I do not think it's going to go to a body shop where it's going to fix a crashed truck, but I could be wrong. I'm willing to bet that someone's going to spend the money, save a little bit, and then put this on their older truck. So I'm going to show you the part right now. All right, so this is the grill. It is a massive grill. Obviously, if you know how big a newer Super Duty is, they are huge. So this is a really big grill. So this would have a huge emblem that goes in the middle of it. You have to swap that over to your new grill. There is a hole in the bottom of the emblem for the front camera. Obviously, this grill is built for the front camera. There are some of these other grills without camera, which is a less expensive grill than this one. You can see right here, Platinum Assembly. So when I post this on eBay, they'll be able to know that it is for a Platinum. There's another Ford grill that looks just like this, but these moldings are a little bit different. So there is a difference between, a Platinum grill and, a Lariat and some of the other additions. Overall, there's nothing really wrong with the outside of the grill. There's no damage. There are some nicks and some marks from, everyday use. None of these are broken. There's no cracks on anything. So it's actually a very nice looking grill. Now looking at the back side, you can see that, all of these mounting tabs are all intact all the way around. And, like this one has a missing clip on it, but it is still intact. All the holes up here are all good. So the only thing that is wrong with it is this side. This tab right here is broken. As you can see, it's not as big as this tab. So this is the reason that this grill was replaced at the body shop. So I'm willing to bet that someone is going to pay a good amount of money, but obviously not spend $1,500 to buy this grill just because that one tab is broken. This tab, these tabs right here, and the bolts across the top is going to hold this grill right to the truck. This little tab is not going to matter. As you can see, everything on the backside is really nice besides that one tab. And I'm probably going to clean this up a little bit more because, there's some bug guts on this grill that, make it look like there's more marks on it than there really is, but it's really just bug juice. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit before I list it, but I'm going to be doing that very shortly. That's a really nice looking grill. Barely any damage to it, which I'm very happy. I could probably still sell that if it had a lot more damage, but obviously the less, the better. Like I said, there's not too many platinum grills on eBay right now. I did find one that sold for $1,000, but they said it was a new takeoff. I think I'm going to list this for $600-700 and see how it goes. I'm hoping that someone will definitely want to buy it. The one downfall about selling this grill and grills in general is the shipping. The grills usually need to be in big boxes. The box for this grill is a very, very big box. So it will cost a lot of money to actually ship it, especially if I'm shipping it from here in Massachusetts to a home address out in California, Oregon, Utah, way out west. It's going to cost a lot of money. So I might put the shipping on this, maybe even up to $75. If I ship it to Pennsylvania and it only costs me $45, then I'm going to make out on the shipping price. but if I do ship it somewhere far, it is going to cost a lot of money. So I definitely want to put the shipping price up as high as I can where I feel comfortable. And as long as that takes a big chunk of the shipping cost away from my pocket, then I will be happy. So that's the only real downfall about selling this and selling grills in general. They're not hard to package up. You just bubble wrap them, put them in a box, but the trouble is finding a huge box, a box big enough to put it in, and they do get a little heavy. This grill actually weighs a good amount, even though it's just a bunch of plastic. That is probably the only thing that, I'm not looking forward to is when someone buys it. If they're not close to me, it is gonna cost a lot. But if I can make $700 off a free part and it costs me $50 out of my pocket to ship it, I'm definitely gonna take it. If you're gonna sell this for $100 with free shipping, you're probably gonna barely make any money off of it. So you always gotta remember how much money you're making and if it's going to be worth it to ship it. That's about it. I'm pretty excited to get this one on eBay. I'm looking forward to getting a lot of these nice expensive items on eBay, so hopefully my numbers can go up for this year. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.